Okay, so the magic that you guys work, once you get someone in and you say they've got a lot of medical bills, which tends to be the biggest issue for people in general, how do you help them?
Well, that's something that I'm proud about at our agency at HCCI, because we help people get out of that debt trouble that they're in. And it looks so much better on the credit report, and it's so much better than a bankruptcy because they're paying back everything that is owed. A long time ago, agencies like us, the true nonprofits across the nation, set up with a lot of the major creditors something called a debt management plan, DMP. And so what that is, the creditors have agreed to accept payments through the nonprofit agencies like us. They agree to lower interest rates, stop charging late fees, over limit fees, and in the credit card cases, a lot of times they will lower the monthly payment back down to a normal rate that's affordable for folks. Medical bills, like if they're at either the medical provider or even local collection agencies, they agree to take small monthly payments from us to get that debt paid off because they know they're going to get it from our clients. And so what ends up happening is it's like a consolidation. It's not a loan or anything, but they're just paying a lump sum money through agencies like us that we then distribute amongst all the other creditors that they have. It usually takes 3 to 5 years depending on the debt load that a person has. The creditors will then report paid in full when the plan is done. So again, that's helping their credit score month after month after month while they're doing this plan. And it just, a lot of times when people are coming to see us wanting to buy a home, you mentioned medical bills is the biggest stumbling block right now, that they're showing up on the credit report. They're at collection agencies. When the collection agency starts reporting to the credit bureaus, it just hurts your credit score tremendously. And so it's a matter of getting them paid to get that score to bump back up. And it takes time. It's going to take some time. I tell folks, you didn't get into this debt load overnight. Don't expect us to pull out our magic wand and fix you tomorrow. It's going to take a few years to get you back where you need to be.
And so, say for instance, they've got all that done. Do the creditors ever take that off their credit report? Can you ever ask them to?
Sometimes collection agencies are good about them totally taking it off once it's done. Credit card companies, for example, they're going to show that they've been current for the past 3 years, no problem there, but they'll have a little blurb that says somewhere in the past this account was 30 days delinquent or whatever. That's not affecting the score anymore, though. That's just there for banks to see that, well, okay, 5 years ago I see you had some trouble, but you've been paying consistently since then. They probably will not look at that too badly, actually, at that point in time.
So say for instance, I know a lot of times there was a period of time where a lot of people went through foreclosure. So say for instance, let's just say they're late on their mortgage. If they catch it up in their current, how long does it take for that hit that took place to bring their score back up?
I've seen it where if you missed like last month's payment, but you got it caught up this month and you're doing fine, it may take you another 6 months of consistently making your monthly payment on time to recapture those points that you lost for that one missed payment last month.
Wow.
It takes time. The biggest factor in what affects your credit score is your pay history. 35% of what makes up your credit score is your pay history. And history is over time, so there's no fast way to fix it. It just takes time.
Okay. And your credit score, if it is low, how long, what all does that affect in your life?
Right now, that's a great point. It's affecting a lot of things right now. Not just trying to get approved for a loan to buy a house, but it could affect your getting a car loan, or if you get approved for a car loan, it could be at like 19% interest, which is outrageous. Landlords and apartment complexes now are checking credit scores to see about if they're going to rent to folks. And insurance companies now check your credit rating, and that could affect what you're paying on your monthly premiums based on your credit rating.
So it's really a big deal.
Yeah.
So if they want to get a hold of you?
Call us at 785-234-0217.
And if you're looking to buy or sell, 785-213-5188.